Good morning guys, and in front of me is LG L70 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first open the settings, then go to display and select home screen. Now choose wallpaper and choose the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be some picture from your own gallery, one from live wallpapers, photos or wallpaper gallery, and I will go with last one. Now just select the picture that you want to cover your screen with. Let me stay with this one, then just click on Set Wallpaper, and that's it. As you can see, wallpaper has been applied, and here it is. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.